Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. Today I try to join the Roblox server and it says launching experience. Now I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. There is two possible reasons of this error. Number 1, maybe you have a weak and unstable internet connection. Number 2, maybe the Roblox server is down. First, we have to make sure that we have a strong and stable internet connection. You are using Wi-Fi or cellular data. Better refresh the Wi-Fi router, turn off the mobile or cellular data and wait for a few minutes, then turn on back. After refresh the internet, if you're still facing the same issue, then we move to the other solution. Now what we have to do, we have to launch any browser, Safari or any other, and we have to search for roblox.com. This is the Roblox official website. Here we have to see the two options, continue in app or continue in browser. We have to tap on continue in browser. Now we are going to use the username and password for the Roblox app and tap login. If you successfully log in the web page, then it's mean there is nothing happen with the server. Then what we have to do, we have to tap and hold the Roblox app and tap remove app. After removing the app, go to settings, journal, transfer or reset iPhone, reset network settings, iPhone passcode, and tap again reset network settings to confirm. Then force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button, and press side button until you get Apple logo. After force restart, go back to App Store and re-download the Roblox app and log in with your ID. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.